Another day, another story. Today we will learn about the Sun. The Sun is a star that is located at the center of the solar system. It is a giant, glowing ball of gas that is powered by nuclear fusion reactions. The energy produced by these reactions is released in the form of heat and light, which is what makes the Sun so bright and warm. The Sun is composed mainly of hydrogen, about 74% of its mass, and helium, about 24% of its mass, with the remaining 2% made up of other elements. Its surface temperature is around 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, while its core temperature is about 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. The Sun's energy output is essential for life on Earth. It provides the light and heat that make it possible for plants to grow, which in turn provides the basis for the food chain that supports all living things. The Sun also plays a crucial role in the Earth's climate and weather, as its energy drives atmospheric circulation and weather patterns. However, the Sun's activity can also have a significant impact on Earth. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections can send out bursts of charged particles that can disrupt communication systems and electrical grids on Earth. Additionally, long-term changes in the Sun's activity can influence the Earth's climate over much longer timescales. Overall, the Sun is a fascinating and essential object of study for scientists, providing insights into the workings of stars, the universe, and the delicate balance of factors that make life on Earth possible. The Sun is a type of star known as a G-type main sequence star, also referred to as a yellow dwarf. It has a diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers, 870,000 miles, making it about 109 times larger than Earth. It also has a mass of about 1.99 times 10 to the 30 kilograms, which is about 333,000 times the mass of Earth. The Sun's energy output is powered by the process of nuclear fusion. This occurs when the high temperature and pressure at the Sun's core cause hydrogen atoms to fuse together to form helium, releasing energy in the process. This energy then travels outward from the core through a process known as radiative transfer, eventually reaching the Sun's surface and being emitted as light and heat. The Sun has a complex magnetic field that drives a variety of phenomena, such as sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections. Sunspots are dark, cooler areas on the Sun's surface that are caused by concentrated magnetic fields. Solar flares are bursts of energy that occur when magnetic fields become twisted and release energy in the form of light, X-rays, and charged particles. Coronal mass ejections are huge eruptions of plasma and magnetic fields from the Sun's outer atmosphere, or corona. These phenomena can have significant impacts on Earth. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections can cause geomagnetic storms, which can disrupt communication and navigation systems, damage satellites, and even cause power outages. In addition, the Sun's long-term activity can have a significant influence on the Earth's climate over timescales of decades to centuries. Overall, the Sun is a fascinating object of study for scientists, providing insights into the workings of stars, the universe, and the complex interplay between our planet and its nearest star. The Sun is about 4.6 billion years old, which is about the same age as the solar system itself. The Sun contains about 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. The Sun rotates on its axis once every 27 days at its equator, but takes about 31 days to complete a rotation near its poles. This is known as differential rotation. The Sun's magnetic field flips polarity approximately every 11 years, a process known as the solar cycle. The Sun emits a constant stream of charged particles called the solar wind, which can interact with the Earth's magnetic field to create auroras. The Sun's surface temperature is not uniform. It varies from around 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, at its visible surface, known as the photosphere, to over a million degrees Celsius, 1.8 million degrees Fahrenheit, in its outer atmosphere, the corona. The Sun's visible light output is highest in the yellow-green part of the spectrum, which is why it appears yellow to us. The Sun is a variable star, which means that its brightness and activity can vary over time. The Sun will eventually exhaust its hydrogen fuel and evolve into a red giant star, swelling to many times its current size and eventually shedding its outer layers to form a planetary nebula. The Sun will eventually exhaust all its nuclear fuel and will become a white dwarf star, eventually cooling to become a black dwarf over trillions of years. These are just a few of the many fascinating facts about the Sun. As the closest star to Earth, it has been studied extensively by scientists, and we continue to learn more about its properties and behavior all the time. The Sun plays a crucial role in the Earth's ecosystem and is essential for life on our planet. Here are some key facts about the Sun and its relationship to the Earth. The Sun is the closest star to Earth and is located at the center of the solar system. The Sun is approximately 93 million miles, 149.6 million kilometers, away from Earth. The sun's energy provides warmth and light to the Earth, making it possible for life to exist. The sun's gravity keeps the planets in the solar system in orbit around it, including Earth. The sun's magnetic field creates a protective shield called the heliosphere, which shields the Earth from most of the harmful cosmic rays and charged particles that come from outer space. The sun also affects the Earth's climate and weather patterns. The sun's energy drives the Earth's weather systems, and its variations can lead to changes in climate over long periods of time. The sun's activity, such as solar flares and coronal mass ejections, can also affect Earth's technology and infrastructure by disrupting communication systems, satellites, and power grids. Overall, the sun is a vital component of our planet's ecosystem and has a significant impact on many aspects of life on Earth. Thanks for watching.